Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Amalia and here I will give some explanation about integer exponent. An exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. So integer exponents, they are integers that are exponents. For example, 2 to the power of 3, where 2 is the base and 3 is the exponent. 2 to the power of 3 is integer exponent because 3 is an integer number that are exponents. 2 to the power of 3 refers to 3 of times 2 is multiplied by itself. So the correct expression for 2 to the power of 3 is 2 multiplied by 2 and then multiply again by 2. So 2 multiplied by itself for 3 times. 2 to the power of 3 is not equal to 2 multiplied by 3. There is some kind of exponent, integer exponent. First is positive exponent. Positive exponent is any number raised to a positive exponent. For example, the number expression is 3 to the power of 2. We simplify it, so 3 is multiplied by 3. So 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9. For the algebra expression is x to the power of 3. We simplify it, so it's equal to x multiplied by x and multiply again by x. Next is negative exponent. Negative exponent is a non-zero number raised to a negative exponent, and negative exponent is equal to 1 divided by that number raised to the opposite or positive exponent. For example, for number expression is 3 to the power of negative 2. We simplify it, so 1 divided by 3 to the power of 2. And then the answer of 3 to the power of negative 2 is 1 divided by 9. For the algebra expression is x to the power of negative n is equal to 1 divided by x to the power of n, or 1 divided by x to the power of positive n. Next is zero exponent. Zero exponent is any non-zero number raised to the power of 0, or any zero number raised to the 0 power. Zero exponent is equal to 1. For example, for number expression is 3 to the 0 power is equal to 1. For the algebra expression is x to the 0 power is equal to 1. In negative exponent and zero exponent case, the base can only be any non-zero number. You cannot use zero number for the base because you will only get an undivided answer. Next is example. In this example, we will simplify the question. Example number 1 is 4 to the power of negative 2. We simplify it, so 1 divided by 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 4. The answer is 4 to the power of negative 2 is equal to 1 divided by 15. Example number 2 is negative 3 to the power of 2. We simplify it, so negative 3 is multiplied by negative 3. So the answer of negative 3 to the power of 2 is 9. And then next example is example number 3 is 2a to the power of 2. We simplify it, so 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by a to the power of 2 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a. And then the answer is 4a to the power of 2. Example number 4 is 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by y to the power of negative 2. We simplify it, so 2 to the power of 2 is multiplied by y to the power of negative 2 and is equal to 4 multiplied by 1 divided by y to the power of 2. So the answer is 4 divided by y to the power of 2. And last, there is some exercise that you can try it by yourself. So, and that is all from me. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.